Perry's homemade, do-it-yourself, PVC play gym. He's on his ladder. I use red tape and sizzle rope. And he's watching Kiwi Green. Right? You love Kiwi Green. Come on. Oh, we're going all the way to the top. Wow, you're big. Harry's big. Wow. You are big, Perry. Now you're coming down. Wow, you like the gym. You're going to build up some muscles now.